Yo everyone, today we're talking about how to get unlimited diamonds and tickets in Chapters. As you can see on my Android device is already installed Chapters++. It's modded version of the origin application who allowed you to generate some for your account diamonds and tickets. How it works, it's very simple. Enter amount of tickets as you want. Okay, I enter this number, the same complete as the diamonds. Check unlimited everything, okay, check, press generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Wait to finish this process. After complete of this process our account will be open and I show you how it works. Okay, wait maybe 1 minute now and boom, look at this. Now everything is work. I have free diamonds and tickets in Chapters. This method is updated and working in 2023 for Android or iOS device. So where I found this application, Chapters++, it's super easy method to get Chapters++ application for Android or iOS device. Follow me, open browser, scroll down or type this the Chapters++, press install, wait to finish this process. After complete human verification, it's super easy, Chapters++ will be installed for your device. Thank you for watching.